In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Google Workspace language. Whether you're new to Google Workspace or just looking to switch things up by changing the language, this tutorial will guide you through each step in a clear, easy to understand way. Let's get started. First things first, head over to Google Workspace. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the gateway to tweaking your settings to better suit your needs. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This is an important step because the changes you're about to make will apply to this specific account. Make sure you select the right one to avoid any confusion later on. After selecting your account, you'll need to enter your password. Security first, right? This step ensures that only you have access to make changes to your account settings. Next, click on Next to proceed. This might seem like a small step, but every click is leading you closer to your goal. Look for the square dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon is essentially your navigation tool to dive deeper into various Google services and settings. Now it's time to access the admin console. You can either use the direct link provided or find the admin console through the Google Workspace interface. This is where you can manage all the settings for your account. Upon reaching the admin console, click on Account. This will direct you to the section where personal settings and preferences can be adjusted. Then click on Account Settings. This is where the specifics of your account are held, including the language settings we're aiming to change. Navigate to the Profile section. This area contains personal details and preferences related to your Google Workspace account. Look for the language option and click on it. This step is crucial because it's where you'll be choosing the new language for your Google Workspace interface. Choose your desired language from the list provided. Google Workspace supports a wide range of languages, so you're likely to find the one you're comfortable with. Last but not least, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes you've made. Changing your language setting won't take effect until you confirm your choice by saving it. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language of your Google Workspace. Remember, these changes will affect how you interact with the Google Workspace interface, so make sure you've selected the language you're most comfortable with. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to revisit any step if you need a refresher. Enjoy your newly customized Google Workspace experience.